Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Sign in at Classroom. Google.com with your Google account email. Open the class tile for the course you will write in. Click Classwork at the top to access all activities. Click Create and choose assignment, question, or material to begin composing. Give your post a clear title and write instructions in the description box. Use the toolbar to format text, add links, and mention students. Set a topic to organize posts and make future searching faster and simpler. Add a title, write clear instructions, and set a due date and time. Choose the points value, commonly up to 100, or mark the post as ungraded. Select the class or specific students for assignment distribution when necessary. Attach files, drive items, or links, and decide whether students receive editable copies. Use topics to categorize the work by unit or week for easy navigation. Click Assign, Schedule, or Save Draft, depending on when you want students to see it. Open student work to review submissions and leave private comments. Click a student file to annotate, highlight, and add comment feedback directly on the document. Enter a numeric score and return the work to send the grade and comments. Use the private comments field to communicate suggestions or required corrections to each student. If you need the same instructions again, click Reuse Post and adjust details for the new due date. Monitor the classwork page to see what.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.